Welcome back to channel. Today we're exploring the latest rumors and leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or a tech aficionado, you won't want to miss this. The Garmin Fenix 8 is poised to set a new standard in the world of GPS smartwatches, combining rugged durability with a refined design that appeals to both outdoor enthusiasts and tech lovers. Expected to feature a more compact and lightweight build compared to its predecessors, the Fenix 8 will likely maintain the robust characteristics that have made the Fenix line famous, including advanced GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, and multi-sport capabilities. One of the most anticipated upgrades is its enhanced battery life, which could offer extended usage even with all features activated, making it ideal for long-term outdoor adventures. Additionally, the Fenix 8 is rumored to include improved solar charging capabilities, allowing users to harness the power of the sun to keep their watch running longer, even in remote locations. Enhanced connectivity options such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi will ensure that the Fenix 8 remains a versatile tool for both communication and data transfer, while new health metrics and fitness tracking features will appeal to those focused on performance and wellness. The introduction of more detailed topographical maps and turn-by-turn navigation will make the Fenix 8 an essential companion for hikers, cyclists, and trail runners. With its combination of style, functionality, and innovation, the Garmin Fenix 8 is expected to not only meet but exceed the demands of the most adventurous users, offering a reliable and sophisticated tool that can adapt to any environment. Whether you're navigating the wilderness, tracking your fitness goals, or staying connected on the go, the Fenix 8 promises to be a game-changer in the smartwatch market. Design. The Garmin Fenix 8 is set to impress with its design, offering two sizes -47mm and 51mm. To suit different wrist sizes and preferences, ensuring that both comfort and style are catered to. This choice reflects Garmin's commitment to versatility, allowing users to select the watch that best fits their needs without compromising on functionality. The most anticipated feature is the rumored AMOLED display, which marks a significant upgrade from previous models. If true, this display will deliver vibrant, vivid colors and sharper text, making it easier to read information even in bright sunlight or at odd angles. The AMOLED technology also tends to be more energy efficient, which could lead to an improvement in battery life despite the higher screen quality. Although Garmin has yet to confirm these details, the inclusion of such a display would represent a major leap forward in both visual appeal and performance, aligning the Fenix 8 with modern smartwatch trends while maintaining the robust and durable design the Fenix series is known for. Enthusiasts and athletes alike are eagerly awaiting confirmation, as this combination of rugged design and cutting-edge display technology could set a new standard in the world of adventure watches. Features. The Garmin Fenix 8 is packed with features that make it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Its water resistance of up to 100 meters means you can dive as deep as 40 meters without concern for damage, making it ideal for swimmers, divers, and anyone who enjoys water sports. The watch also excels in advanced fitness tracking, offering a comprehensive suite of metrics that cover everything from heart rate and VO2 max to sleep and stress levels. It includes robust navigation capabilities, ensuring you stay on course whether you're hiking, running, or exploring new terrains. The Fenix 8 also supports making calls and using voice assistants directly from your wrist, so you can stay connected and manage your day without needing to reach for your phone. These features combine to create a versatile and durable smartwatch designed to enhance your outdoor adventures while keeping you connected and informed. Sensor. Under the hood, the Fenix 8 uses the reliable Gen 5 Elevate sensor, ensuring accurate heart rate monitoring, GPS tracking, and other vital metrics. This sensor has been refined over the years, providing reliable data to fuel your workouts and adventures. Release date. So when can you get your hands on the Fenix 8? We're expecting an official announcement at IFA 2024 in Berlin, starting September 6th. Mark your calendars, as this will be a major event in the world of wearable tech. Rumors also suggest improved battery life, enhanced music storage, and potentially even solar charging capabilities. While these aren't confirmed, they'd be welcome additions to an already impressive feature set. Thanks for watching.